We're following new developments in the case of a woman accused of stabbing and killing a 3-year-old boy and injuring his mother. Bionca Ellis was in court this morning for a pretrial hearing.
News 5 reporter Catherine Ross explains how her mental health could play a role in the proceedings.
Dinosaurs, plush toys, and the color green. Some of Julian Wood's favorite things surround an angelic photo of the 3-year-old.
Yeah, it was a really sad, shocking incident.
The mound of gifts and mementos has been building outside the North Olmsted Giant Eagle, where police say a random attacker fatally stabbed the little boy and injured his mother in early June.
It was very, very upsetting that someone would do that, to a child and their mother.
This growing memorial has become a constant reminder of the tragedy here in North Olmsted. Now the question is, what happens next? And legal experts tell me there are numerous possible scenarios.
All right, so we're here this morning, case 692604, Bionca Ellis.
The woman accused in Julian's death hung her head and at one point smiled at her camera during a pretrial hearing in Cuyahoga County Court Tuesday morning. Bionca Ellis is charged with 10 felony counts. Last month, investigators say she shoplifted a knife at a thrift store and walked into the nearby grocery store before randomly attacking the 3-year-old and his mother. Ellis is scheduled for trial in December, but after a psychiatric evaluation, her attorneys say that shouldn't happen.
At this point, Ms. Ellis is incompetent and not able to assist in her defense, and cannot stand trial.
The judge ordered another evaluation through the court psychiatric clinic. Case Western criminal law professor Michael Benza says if Ellis is found incompetent, the state will have up to a year to restore her mental health before the case can proceed.
Given what we know about this tragic case, mental health is a big part of what's going to be part of that case.
Benza explains if Ellis can stand trial, plea of not guilty by reason of insanity could be on the table, looking at her state of mind during the crime. If a jury ultimately convicts the defendant, a state ban on executing someone with mental illness could factor into her sentencing. And Benza says if the case does not move forward at all, her mental health could be a question for a probate court.
Is she so mentally ill that we have civil procedures that could put her in a care facility because she is either a danger to herself or she is a danger to others?
The next step could be determined by mid-August. In North Olmsted, some in the community tell us they want accountability for Julian's death and justice for his family.
It would be an injustice, I think, for the community because there's no justice for what justice is really deserved.
In North Olmsted, Catherine Ross, News 5.